This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make grid show super milk updated. Start by sterilizing your grid and tools, then prepare a concentrated milk base and gently heat it to 80°C for pasteurization. Cool the base to 4°C before adding a trusted culture and any sweeteners. Apply the mixture evenly across the grid with a calibrated spreader, monitor fermentation closely, and adjust timing based on texture and aroma for consistent super milk. Blend ingredients in stages to maintain texture and flavor while working at a comfortable pace. Begin by creating a slurry with the culture and a small portion of the cooled milk base, ensuring it dissolves fully. Slowly incorporate the slurry into the main batch using gentle, consistent strokes, avoiding vigorous agitation that can collapse structure. Keep temperatures stable during mixing, and use a calibrated spreader to apply the mix evenly on the grid for predictable results. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, and Little Tree's Black Ice pairs perfectly with long test sessions and studio time for a fresh atmosphere. I think you'll enjoy it while working on grids, and you can find the link and other deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Control fermentation with steady conditions to get reliable super milk on your grid every time. Place the prepared grid in a draft-free area and maintain a temperature between 20°C and 24°C for the most consistent culture activity. Monitor pH as it drops slowly, stopping fermentation when the desired tang and texture are achieved. If texture needs tweaking, refine future batches by changing time or temperature, rather than rescuing a finished grid with heavy additives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.